So first we will look for complex images. So there are some examples. For example, the images should have many similar instances, small objects, occluded objects, camouflaged objects, lighting challenges. So let's go for an Indian market, maybe. Uh, Generally quite crowded. So now we will look for some challenging images in an Indian market. So I'm looking for maybe people. Let's check if we can find images uh, with a lot of people. There are a couple of them, but I still want something. Let's check if this one has the. So I think we can use this one. So I'm gonna copy the image address and then I'm gonna go and paste it here. Let's wait for it to load. Now we can start annotating this particular job. So let's look at the instructions. They're quite straightforward. We have to build our expression step by step. We'll start broad and add clues until the target object remains. So for example, maybe I will try to target okay, maybe I don't know, maybe this girl, maybe I'll try to target. So let's start with a woman and then let's press enter. It is running a detection. So it has identified all instances of women in the screen, the ones in the background. So I'm not sure if this one is a woman. I don't think this one is. It's mask number 5. So it doesn't look like a woman. So I'll delete it. Okay. So that's what we're supposed to do. Delete masks that do not represent women and include masks that represent women per se. So I can't see many examples of other women here. So maybe we can, yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think this works and I can just rough check before I click on confirm. So I'm confirming this. Then we can add clue 2, which is at before woman and after maybe woman uh wearing uh I don't know what is she wearing. She's not wearing okay, let's say woman not wearing sorry sari, and then we can press enter and then we'll remove the masks of all the women not wearing a sari. So this is a woman wearing sari. So maybe is there a shortcut? Okay, remove the mask and click on that. Okay, we just have to do it manually. So maybe this one, and then she's not wearing a sari. She's not wearing a sari. She's not wearing a sari. She's wearing a sari. So she is number 8. So I'll delete that. Um, okay, let's just check whether there are other women who are wearing saris here. So, okay, what I have to do is I just noticed that we did include some men here. So maybe I'll just remove this step and I will go back and I'll remove the man from the image. This is Mars 14. I'll delete it. And then there's another one, I think. Is this a man? Is this a man? This is number 4. This is a woman. Okay. I think I noticed another man somewhere. Is this a man? No, this is a woman. Okay. I hope there are no more men here. So let's just confirm it. Now, clue 2. So, woman, maybe woman. Yeah. So, not wearing sari. Let's now delete all the women who are wearing a sari. So she's wearing a sari, so I'll remove her. And then she's wearing a sari, so this is number 8, so I'll remove her. Now, any other woman who's wearing a sari here, let's just do a recon. She's wearing a salwar, so maybe not her. Yeah, so I can't see any other woman wearing a sari. She's wearing a salwar, so no. Okay, then I can confirm this one. Let's go to the next step. How can we identify this woman? Okay, so woman not wearing sari, carrying a bag. Let's press enter. So let's exclude all the women who are not carrying a bag. I can't see her carrying a bag. Let's just at least so it's not evident whether she's carrying a bag. Maybe, oh no, she's holding up some sort of a purse and something's there here. So I can't exclude her. Okay, so she doesn't seem to be carrying a bag. So I'll exclude her, right? Okay. She is not carrying a bag, so I can exclude her as well. Is she the one? Mask 2? Yeah, she's the one. Anyone else? She's not carrying a bag either. So mask 10 will be deleted. Um, let's check. She's not carrying a bag, so mask 12 will be deleted as well. Okay, she's not carrying a bag either. Same for her. Let's still check. No, she doesn't seem to be carrying a bag, at least not visible from here. Same for her. Deleting that. So we have one, two. How many women do we have? 5 masks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, yeah. Someone's there in the periphery. I can't see because of the screen size. Just give me a moment. So, okay, this is a common glitch. So, yeah. So yeah. Yeah, she's also here. Is she carrying a bag? No, she's not. So yeah, we have 5 masks and we can confirm this. And next, let's move to clue 4. So what is her unique identifier? Let's look at her. Maybe she is wearing white outfit, carrying a bag. So facing, she's facing the right direction of this frame. That we can mention. Um, yeah, so that we can mention actually that she is facing the right. facing right. Let's press enter. So that is a unique identifier. She is also facing right. She is not. So let's go ahead and remove her. She is not technically facing right. She's facing downwards. So remove her. She's facing the left. So removing her. So we have two, entities per se. Um, so yeah, let's confirm this one. And finally, we can go for clue 5, which is um what else is she doing? Let's go here. Let's check her a little bit closely. So is she wearing a hairband? Looks like she's wearing a hairband. She's also wearing earrings. Is she wearing earrings? Yes. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. So she has a hair bun and she has a ponytail per se. So I can say wearing a ponytail. Let me still judge it a little after. Mhm. With a ponytail. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just press enter and then I'll remove her. So there you go. We have confirmed this one as well. We can verify and complete. So this is the entire annotation process for uh, this task. And you can verify this and then you will submit annotations and then you can successively sort of try a different entity in the same image, so that can also be done. So these are the steps for this task. Thank you for joining this live demo and see you in the next one.